This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it.
Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. Monday, February 12th, 2024. We're going to cover ES price action levels, daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules. Flexible in outcome expectations. Independent thinker. Impeccable risk manager. Precision-based trader. Responsible business manager. We've got the NASDAQ 100 on the left, the middle of the ES. So similar patterns here. We've got a very narrow range, green bar on the Monday for both, and the blue line is the 3 EMA. So you can see the ES has got a bigger gap, but that 3 EMA is a level for sure. And then on the right, note the dollar. So King Dollar, we've got Monday, black bar, but within the body of this candle, it's very consolidated here from the day prior to Friday, Thursday, and then where we are Monday. So not a lot happening, where in comparison, the equity indices had this big expansion green candle drive up, especially to all-time highs on prior day, Friday. So that's something to look at when you've got that kind of expansion disproportionate to the prior day downside on the dollar. Let's go to the ES smaller time frame, since we're in a narrow range here of around 6 handles. I want to just look at the levels real quick with low expectations, because Tuesday's the CPI. Next chart. 15-minute benchmark on the ES. So the red line's the all-time high from prior Friday, and that is an afternoon all-time high. So they just did a jam job up all the way into that PM high. And the low for the PM low is 5036.50. So 5048.50 on the PM high prior day Friday, and PM low 5036.50. And currently Monday, what we've got basically is a 6-point range high, and that comes in at 5045.5, and the low comes in right here at 5040.50. New week open gap 5043. That's the new week open gap high, and the new week open gap low 5042. London 5042, and then New York midnight open 50141.5. So very compressed. If we were to get to that PD prior day PM low, I'd be surprised at this point, because it's just so compressed. But there's a lot of time still left before we go into Tuesday. But again, I think we're totally front-running CPI, so it's best to not swing for the fences, like I said. So the trade plan is try to be as hands-off as possible till Tuesday after we get the CPI news announcement, and then we'll go from there. But these are the levels. It's very compressed, and this is, again, a 15-minute chart. That's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to the OG subscribers, and welcome all 2024 subs. I really appreciate your support. Take care and aloha. Bye.